Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Roman. I'm a web designer and Webflow developer. I help businesses and startups to build fast, modern, and scalable websites, whether it's a simple landing page or a website with some advanced logic or complex animations. And in this video, I wanted to show a few websites that I've built in the past so you have a clear understanding of what to expect when collaborating with me. So the first website is Namino.ai. It's an AI-powered clinical intelligence platform, and this is their website. Very clean, modern website. It communicates very well with the user. It tells about their mission, how they work. There are many more pages here, but most importantly, there are a lot of people working on this website and update content frequently. Most of these people are non-technical, like marketing managers or copywriters, and it was very important to create the website in a way that it's very easy to build, very easy to scale, create new pages. So I will show you how it looks inside of the Webflow. So here is basically the website inside of the Webflow. There are many components here, which can be reusable on multiple pages. Some components have properties. For example, this section is reusable on multiple pages, and somewhere we don't have a title, somewhere we don't have a button, so we can customize it here in the components properties. Also, we can change the content here in the components properties. And there are a lot of CMS collections. As I mentioned, articles, webinars, news, events, some landing pages, which are PDF files mostly, and yeah, FAQs, team members, many more collections. And here how it looks inside. So if you go to one article, when I create a CMS, I always make sure that every field is well labeled. So it's easy for anyone to understand, for example, what is the difference between title and short title, because on the cards, we don't have enough space for a full title. So here we use short title. And if we go to a page, here we use the full title. And I always make sure to describe it in the CMS. Also, like what dimensions images to upload, in what dimensions upload images, optional fields like video. So for example, if we have a video, we don't have a thumbnail on individual article page, and many more fields here. Like FAQs, we can choose which we want to show. Then we can choose a sticky banner. For now, we have only one, the Airtable integration, and SEO fields. And there are a lot of pages like this. For example, there is a events page, which is also a CMS page with some dynamic content. For example, the sessions component is a dynamic. So if you go to events, Vive, and then we have all of the fields: thumbnail, banner, date, type, date with location, some toggles. We have embedded form ID. So this page uses the HubSpot, and each event has its own HubSpot form. And to make sure it's easy to upload, it's easy to edit, I've added this field in the CMS, so you can choose like which form we want to display on which page. And there are many more fields. So for example, logos. So here we have only 5 logos. If there will be 7 or more logos, we will convert these static logos to a animated strip. So it will look like on the homepage. So everything is pretty much editable in the CMS. Team members, sessions, Chili Piper, custom code, SEO tags, etc. So yeah, here how it looks. There is few more websites. For example, this one, it's simpler. It's one page. Well, it's simpler in terms of content, but it's not simpler in terms of animations. So client wanted to have a premium look landing page with some advanced animations. So when I scroll, there is something happening on the screen. If I scroll backwards, the animation plays in reverse. And here's how it looks. Some bullet points about their product. Also some information. There is a horizontal scroll, the FAQ, and yeah, this is the page. Also, there is another example of some animated websites that I've built. For example, like this one. So this animation is playing like in the background, but when I interact with it, when I hover my mouse, it changes slightly. So it looks like this. There's also a dark theme on this website and a loader animation. So if I reload the page, it looks like this. And there's also a CMS. So if I go to the products and services, these cards are pulling data from the CMS collection. So yeah, these are the websites that I wanted to share with you. At the end of each project, I always run my personal checklist. So to make sure that the website has settings like time zone, language, it has snippet for a font smoothing, then disable the Webflow branding, some other things here. Then make sure that the CMS is optimized, that each field is described, the SEO optimization checklist, performance optimization checklist, then browser compatibility, and obviously responsiveness. Also, at the end of each project, I record a few videos with tutorials, how to manage the website, how to change static content, how to change dynamic content, and cover some specific cases if they arise. So yeah, I hope it gave you a better idea of what I do and how I do. And if you have any projects in mind, feel free to reach out and I would be happy to chat. Thank you. Have a good day.